You've probably seen those bold headlines. A doctor says eat this every day and you'll live to 100. If you're over 60, take a breath. No one can promise that. But Nobel-level discoveries about aging and metabolism point to something surprisingly simple. The everyday foods you repeat matter more than the rare, perfect meal. In this video, you'll get 8 grocery store staples that are easy to find in the US, realistic for busy people, and built for the 60-plus body-supporting steadier energy, heart health, brain function, and muscle as the years add up. No hype, no miracle claims. Just smart daily swaps that can improve your odds of aging well. Ready? Let's start. Before anyone says that's too basic, remember basic habits are the ones people actually keep past 60. If you're over 60, here's a longevity truth that's almost too boring to go viral. And that's exactly why it works. Beans. Yes, plain beans. Not a pricey supplement, not a trendy powder. Beans and legumes like lentils, chickpeas, black beans bring a powerful combo. Fiber plus plant protein. That means steadier energy, better fullness, and a happier gut, which matters more than most people think as we age. The best part for real life in the US? They're cheap and everywhere. Busy day? Grab canned beans, but choose low sodium, then rinse them for 10 seconds, easy upgrade. Add them to salad kits, soups, or taco bowls. If beans make you gassy, don't start with a small portion, go slow. And lentils are often gentler. Small habit, big payoff. Not live to 100 guaranteed, but a smart daily move that can improve your odds. This next one isn't trendy, but it quietly does the heavy lifting while you're not watching. Here's a quick test for anyone over 60. When you buy wheat bread, are you actually getting whole grains? Or just a brown-colored version of white bread? That little label trick quietly messes with your energy and your cravings. Whole grains like oats, true whole wheat bread, and brown rice bring more fiber and a slower, steadier fuel. For many older adults, that can mean fewer afternoon crashes and less random snacking. The easiest US routine is breakfast oatmeal. Keep it simple, plain oats. Add berries or cinnamon, and if you want extra staying power, add a spoon of Greek yogurt or a few nuts. In the store, look for 100% whole wheat or 100% whole grain on bread, and check that whole wheat is the first ingredient. If brown rice feels too healthy, mix half brown, half white for 2 weeks, then gradually shift. It's not flashy, but it's a daily foundation that can improve your odds of aging well. If you want a simple daily upgrade that doesn't feel like a diet, listen closely to this part. Let me guess, if you're over 60, you've heard nuts are healthy. Then you open a big bag, and somehow half of it disappears while you're watching TV. That's the trap. Nuts can be a smart longevity snack, but only if you treat them like medicine in food form. Small dose, consistent habit. Walnuts and almonds bring fiber, minerals, and better fats that can support heart health and keep you full longer than chips or cookies. The easiest move? Buy unsalted nuts and pre-portion them. Literally grab a small handful, put the bag away, and that's it. If you want a simple rule, nuts are a snack, not a meal. Toss walnuts on a salad, add almonds to plain Greek yogurt, or keep a small container in your car so you don't get tempted by fast food when hunger hits. And if you're watching calories or trying to lose belly fat, this is where nuts help and hurt great quality, but they're calorie dense. Done right, it's one of the easiest daily upgrades for aging well. Most people over 60 miss this because it sounds too easy, and that's why it works. For adults over 60, berries are a surprisingly evidence-friendly dessert swap, not because they're magical, but because of their nutrient profile. Blueberries and strawberries are relatively low in energy density, provide dietary fiber, and contain a range of polyphenols, especially anthocyanins in blueberries and various flavonoids in berries overall. From a physiology angle, fiber can slow gastric emptying and reduce the speed of glucose absorption, which may support a steadier post-meal response compared with refined sweets. Polyphenols are also studied for their role in oxidative stress and vascular function areas that matter as we age, particularly for brain and heart health. A practical point many people miss in the US. Frozen berries are often just as useful as fresh, because they're picked ripe and frozen quickly, and they're consistent year-round. For blood sugar management, portion size still matters. Pairing berries with protein like plain Greek yogurt or a small amount of nuts can further blunt a rapid glucose spike. Not a promise to live to 100, but a well-supported daily habit that improves the odds of healthier aging. The next item looks boring on a shopping list, but it can change what happens after every meal. Picture this. 2 people over 60 eat the same calories, but one has better blood pressure and steadier energy. The difference is often not a miracle food. It's micronutrient density, especially from leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and spring mixes deliver fiber plus folate, magnesium, potassium, and carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, along with vitamin K. Physiologically, fiber supports satiety and gut function, while potassium helps offset high sodium intake, an important issue in the U.S. diet. Lutein and zeaxanthin are studied because they accumulate in the retina and are linked to visual and cognitive aging markers. A key clinical nuance for older adults: if you take warfarin, vitamin K isn't bad, but big day-to-day swings in leafy greens intake can affect anticoagulation control. So the goal is consistent portions and coordination with your clinician. For adherence, pre-washed spring mix and salad kits matter more than perfect recipes. Not a guarantee to live to 100, but a high-yield daily pattern for healthier aging. Don't blink, this is where small choices start stacking up into big results over time. If you're over 60, think of fatty fish as cardio insurance. You can eat imperfect, but strongly evidence-informed. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in long-chain omega-3s, EPA and DHA, which are widely studied for cardiovascular risk markers, inflammation pathways, and brain aging. Mechanistically, omega-3s influence cell membrane function and may support healthier triglyceride levels and vascular function over time. That's why many guidelines and longevity-style eating patterns emphasize fish a couple times per week. Here's the real-world American advantage. You don't need fancy fillets. Canned salmon or sardines are cost-effective, shelf-stable, and often just as practical for consistency, especially if cooking feels like a chore. Aim for 2 servings weekly and keep preparation simple. Toss canned fish into a salad kit, mix with olive oil and lemon, or build a quick whole grain sandwich. One nuance: if you take anticoagulants or have bleeding risks, talk with your clinician before adding high-dose omega-3 supplements. Food amounts are usually reasonable. Not a guarantee to live to 100, but a high-leverage habit for healthier aging. If you've been doing everything right and still feel off, this part might explain why. Here's a counterintuitive longevity idea for people over 60. Sometimes the biggest health upgrade isn't what you add, it's what you replace. Extra virgin olive oil is a classic example because it changes the fat quality of your diet. EVOO provides mostly monounsaturated fat, especially oleic acid, and also contains polyphenols that are studied for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. In practical aging terms, this matters for vascular function and long-term cardiovascular risk patterns. The key is dose and use case. Think 1 to 2 tablespoons a day as a condiment, not a deep-frying oil. Use it on salad, beans, steamed vegetables, or soups where you actually taste it, and where it can displace butter, creamy dressings, or highly refined seed oils. For shopping in the U.S., prioritize extra virgin, a dark bottle, and a harvest best by date when available. Fresher tends to taste better and may retain more polyphenols. This won't guarantee you'll live to 100, but it's a high-yield daily swap that improves the odds of healthier aging. This one surprises people because it doesn't look like health food, but the body loves it. Quick reality check for anyone over 60. If your breakfast feels like a sugar bomb, your whole day often follows more cravings, less steady energy, and snacking that mysteriously happens. That's why Greek yogurt or kefir can be such a high-return habit. They're protein-forward, often easier on blood sugar than sweet cereals. And the fermented cultures may support a healthier gut microbiome, something researchers keep linking to digestion, inflammation signaling, and even appetite regulation. The trick is choosing the right kind in a U.S. grocery store. Skip the fruit on the bottom cups that are basically dessert. Go plain unsweetened, then make it taste good yourself. Add frozen berries, cinnamon, or a small handful of nuts. You also get calcium, which matters for bone health as we age. If lactose bothers you, try lactose-free yogurt or kefir. Many people tolerate kefir better. Keep the serving modest but consistent. Not a guarantee to live to 100, but a simple daily swap that can improve your odds of aging well. Quick warning, what comes next can be amazing or useless, depending on one tiny detail. Many adults over 60 think their diet is fine, yet their weight, blood sugar, and energy still drift the wrong way. One common culprit is liquid sugar. Sweetened lattes, flavored creamers, bottled teas, and coffee drinks can deliver dessert-level sugar without feeling like food. In research, plain coffee and unsweetened tea look very different from sugar-loaded beverages. They contain bioactive compounds such as polyphenols, and moderate intake is often associated with healthier long-term patterns in population studies. The practical rule is simple. Keep coffee basic, black or with a small splash of milk, not syrup and whipped cream. Keep tea unsweetened, green or black both work. Timing matters for sleep, especially after 60 if 3 a.m. Wake-ups happen, stop caffeine after lunch or switch to decaf. If reflux, anxiety, or palpitations are issues, reduce dose and discuss it with your clinician. No promises of living to 100, but a powerful daily swap that can improve your odds. If you only remember one idea from this video, make it this next one, especially after 60. A lot of adults over 60 chase anti-aging pills while skipping one of the simplest high-quality proteins in the grocery store, eggs. Eggs deliver complete protein, which matters for maintaining muscle as aging progresses, plus nutrients like choline that support brain function and nerve signaling. From a practical nutrition standpoint, eggs are efficient, high satiety for the calories, fast to cook, easy to pair with vegetables and whole grains. The main debate people worry about is cholesterol. For most healthy adults, current nutrition guidance focuses more on overall dietary pattern than treating eggs as a universal villain. The smarter approach is context. Eggs with spinach and olive oil on whole wheat toast looks very different from eggs on a plate with processed meats and sugary drinks. A simple routine works well in the US. 2 eggs with a handful of greens, or hard-boiled eggs as a snack instead of pastries. If someone has specific lipid disorders or a clinician has advised limits, follow that plan. No promises of living to 100, but a boring, consistent protein habit that can improve aging odds. If you're over 60, remember longevity isn't one miracle food, it's the small daily choices you can actually repeat. Pick just one item from today's list and try it for the next 7 days. Then share in the comments. What did you choose, and what changed your energy, your cravings, your sleep, anything? If you have a personal story or a lesson you learned the hard way, drop it below too. Someone watching might need it. Thanks for spending these minutes with me, and I'll see you in the next video.